There's only one. Hi, how are you? Where's your companion? I have food. You want? I have a little food. You want? Here. Where are you alone? Where are they? There are many of them here. I don't know where are the others. Here, I have. Okay, you want? Yeah, come. I have nuts. Here, in my hand. Try. Yep. Here, come. Oh. Takut siya. She's afraid. She's scared. Because she's the only one. Here. Try this one. Okay, my friend. Here. Try that one. Try it. Try. Here, close to you, on your left side. You didn't see it? I will try to give it to you again. Takut siya. She runs. Hundreds of wild duck in the river. They're gathering in the midst of the river. See? Hundreds of them. There are many. Or maybe 1,000. And this wild duck, I think is a guess. They call them guess. Wow. This duck can fly in the high altitude. They will migrate anywhere in Canada. See, many of them. We're here to find wild deer. Wala pa tayo nakita, isa pa kabuk nakita. Kanina. There are many deer here during winter. So karon wala eh. Winter will start on December 21 to March 20. Pero ang katugnaw ug ang snow hangtod pa na April. For the most the coldest between December to March. Sometimes there is a bald eagle. Sila dam lang makita yung bald eagle. Ngayon hindi natin nakita, so walang wild deer ngayon, isa lang kanina. Ito yung mga wild duck, rodigana. Kita na nato. Ako na raw mga wild duck. Nangagi sila, ito speakers dagan po. 100 po sila dito. Nangagi sila oh. Oh. Kung sila mulupan nigtaas kayo. Mag-migrate bisan asa dapit sa Canada during winter time. Gis ang ala ning mga wild duck. Ano bang gagmay pa na po ibang guwap color oh. Green ang iyang kuan. Ulo parang blue. Semua yung wild duck to, dahan kasi sila oh, unahan. Oh. There are many of them now. They're flying. You don't know where they go. Ito sila oh. Tignan po sa unahan. Happy to libon. Almost 1,000 siguro. Isla kabuk, apil itong ganina. Hindi rin tugnawan tubig ah. Mamatay ka ng ligo ah. Sila. Yan kayo. Tapos anahan oh. Ang daplin. Raw. Bawal na mo patyon. Dakpon, bawal. Di preserve ni sa government. Pwede ni mo pasilong ito akas lasang. Pwede ni masakpan ka. May multa. Ano sila oh. Wagi wilder. Kung nakita sa kabuok. Sa katudaghan na sila mga 14 ni kabuok. Uli nanta. Okay. We cannot see another wild deer. Only hundreds of wild duck. Balik ta next week or kasi there are many of them. I don't know, maybe they went to another park. So thank you for watching. Hundreds of wild duck.